Hi everyone, this is Padma, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design, St. Martin's Engineering College, Dulapalli, Secunderabad. So now I am going to discuss about information security. So information security. So in this session, I am going to explain about what is confidentiality, what is availability, what is integrity, right? So here, what is actually information security? So in this session, I am going to discuss about what is security. Security is nothing but providing the information or data or whatever it may be, that is maybe or hardware or software. We are securing, right? We are protecting the data, we are giving the confidentiality, we are giving the authentication. So that concept is nothing but here providing security, right? That is nothing but here computer security. So here computer security is refers to the protecting and securing computers and their related data, networks, software, hardware from the unauthorized access, right? So here securing the information or data or hardware or software, whatever it may be, we are providing we are giving security, we are giving such type of authentication to the from unauthorized persons, right? So here we are giving such security from the authentication authorized persons, right? Unauthorized persons. So here these unauthorized persons in the middle of for example, if you are sending the information from one place to another place, right? If you are sending the information from source to destination, then what happened? In the middle of the sense, it may go directly to the destination person or it may not go directly to the destination person, right? Means in the middle of the sense, the hacker, they may hack the information, they steal the information, they may change the information, they may update the information and they may delete the information, right? So here the unauthorized persons, they may access the information and they can hack the our confidential information, right? So here we are what doing means here we are providing some kind of security, right? So the main purpose of this computer security, so here we have some objectives are there, those are nothing but here confidentiality, integrity and availability, right? So here what is confidentiality, right? So here confidentiality is nothing but it is a process of keeping confidential information, right? It is a process of keeping confidential documents secure from those who do not have authorized access, right? Secure means what for example, if we have some files, those files are we are keeping in secure, right? So means those files that do not access from the unauthorized persons, right? So that is nothing but here confidentiality. Means we are providing, we are giving some such kind of security to them, right? Means those files or those documents, they cannot seen by the unauthorized persons, right? That is nothing but here confidentiality, right? Then next come to the integrity. So here what is integrity? Integrity is nothing but here it is also one kind of giving protection, right? So here it is a guarding against improper information modification or destruction, right? Including ensuring information non-repudiation and authenticity. Means see here means for example, if you are sending one information from source to destination, right? So at that time modification and destruction, if unauthorized person, they may hack the information, they may modify the information, they may change the information, right? So the means at that time what will happen, that information, that security will be gone, right? Means just we are providing integrity means improper modifications are not done, right? That is nothing but here integrity, right? Then next data integrity. So here in this data integrity, they are divided into two types. Those are nothing but data integrity and system integrity, right? See here data integrity is nothing but whenever the data means see here assures that the information both stored and transmitted packets and programs are changed only in a specified or authorized manner, right? So here whenever we are changing the information, whenever we are changing the information or whatever the information we are providing, updating or anything, those information, those updates are done by the authorized persons only, right? That is nothing but here data integrity. Data integrity means what here? Whatever the information, whatever the changes are done, whatever the updations are done, those updations and those changes are done by the only authorized persons only, right? Then next come to the system integrity. Here what is system integrity? System integrity is nothing but whenever the changes we are doing in system, right? Whenever the modifications we are doing, whenever the updations are doing in system, at that time it is the responsible only for the administrative only, right? Whenever it takes the responsibility of administrative, then only the data is updated, right? The data is modified, the data is changed. If unauthorized persons they came and they are accessing the information, they are accessing our system, and then if they do anything, right, updation, modification or deletion, then what happened at that time, it will be disrupted, right? So that is nothing but here system integrity. So whatever the updation, whatever the changes, whatever the instructions means, those are done by the only authorized person, that is nothing but system administrators. Then next, coming to the availability, right? See here, what is availability? Availability is nothing but it ensuring timely and reliable access and use of information, right? See here, whatever means whatever the data is there, whatever the content is there, the data and that information file, whatever it may be, it must and should be available to the user at any cost of time, right? That is nothing but here availability, right? So here the loss a loss of availability is the disruption of the access to or use of information or an information system, right? It assures that system work promptly and service is not denied to authorized users, right? See here, whatever the data is there, whatever the information, if you want to take the information or file, document or anything, it must and should be available in our system. That is nothing but here availability, right? Then next, so here types of computer security. So here we have 4 types of computer securities are there. That is nothing but cyber security, information security, app security and network security, right? See here, first of all, cyber security. Here, what is cyber security, right? What is cyber security? Cyber security is nothing but it's securing our computers, right? Securing our electronic devices. See here, securing our electronic devices means what here? Systems or whatever it may be, right? Those, see here, securing networks, right? Means here, securing our system requirements. System requirements means what here? Programs, right? Means those are, whenever we are changing the information from one place to another place with the help of network, right? At that time, if they middle of the sense the attacker, they may hack the information, that is nothing but cyber attack here, right? See here, cyber security is nothing but just providing security to our computers, right? Whatever the attack is nothing but here just those attacks that happen when our system is connected to the internet, right? Whatever the attack is nothing but here, what attack is nothing but whatever the information we are sending information or whatever it may from one place to another place with the help of the internet. At that time, hacking is done, so that is called as a cyber attack. So here cyber security means providing security. So that is nothing but cyber security. Come to the information security. So here, what is information security? So listen, information security means protecting our systems, information from the theft, right? Illegal and privacy from the unauthorized use. So here, information security means what here? Information security is nothing but providing security, right? Providing confidentiality, right? Providing authentication from the unauthorized persons. That is nothing but here information security. With the help, providing unauthorized, providing security to the information, that is nothing but here information security. Then next, coming to the application security. So application security is nothing but providing application secure. So here application security means securing our applications and data, right? Providing security to our applications and data. So they don't get hacked, and also the database of the applications remains safe, right? whenever our application is safe, is nothing but whenever we are providing some security to our application, then only our application is safe, right? Means whenever the database is good, means whenever the hackers, they are not involving in our system, means it means what is that, means there is no there is no any security, right? Whenever the application is good, whenever the application is not accessing to the unauthorized persons, means that is nothing but here application security. Then coming to the network security. So network security means securing a network and protecting the user's information, right, about who is connected through that network. Over the network, hackers steal the packets of the data through the sniffing and spoofing attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks and wall driving, etc., and misuse the data for their benefits. See here, network security. So here, what is network security? Network security is nothing but, it means securing our network, right? Securing our network and providing and protecting the users' information in the cloud, right? That is nothing but here network security. Coming to the types of attacks. So here listen, what is types of attack, right? Here first and foremost, what is attack here? Attack is nothing but just whenever we are changing the information from one place to another place, whenever we are sending the information, right, in the middle of the sense, whenever the others, means unauthorized person, they may hack the information, they steal the information, they may theft the information, right? Those are nothing but attacks, right? Those attacks are divided into 4 types, right? Those are nothing but interruption, interception, modification and fabrication, right? See, first one, interruption. Interruption means what? See here, interruption means the data, if the data on the transmission link is destroyed, right, it is made not available to the destination, means it's called as a interruption, right? For example, see here in this example, here sender, he is sending the information to the receiver, right? So here whenever the sender is sending the information to the receiver, means unauthorized persons, hackers, what they need the information or they disturb the information, right? Means their wants is just they disturb the information, they need the information, right? So at that time, here he is opponent, he is an attacker, right? What he is doing in this interruption, he is just, whenever the data is transmitting the file or whatever it may be from source to destination, he disconnects the wire or whatever it may be, right? He disconnects the data, right? It disconnects the transmission medium. So while sending the information from source to destination, so that is nothing but interruption, means he is interrupting, right? While sending the information from one place to another place, he is interrupting, right? That is nothing but here interruption. See here, what is interruption? If the data on the transmission link is destroyed or made not available to the destination, this is called as a interruption, right? So here at last destination, he will get the information? No, right? He is not getting any information from the source person. This is nothing but here interruption, right? So this is called as a interruption. So then next interruption, interception, right? Interception, see here, interception. Interception is nothing but, interception means accessing data by an unauthorized party. A breach of confidentiality occurs, right? When someone else reads your data or intercepted. See here, whenever the interception is nothing but whenever the data is transferring from one place to another place, right? In the middle of the sense, the hacker is involved and he just watching the information, means what is going and what is coming, right? That is nothing but interception, means here, means the small breach of confidentiality is missing here. So that is nothing but here interception, right? Interception means what here? whenever the transferring the information from source to destination, just unauthorized party, they may just he is watching, he is not disturbing our information, just he is watching what actually what information is going on, right? Means that is just he is capturing the information. That is nothing but interception, right? Then next, modification, right? So here modification is nothing but when the data is changed by an unauthorized party. It is called an modification. See here, whenever the data is changing here, whenever the modifications are done, whenever the updations are done, whenever the deleting is done, that is nothing but modification, right? Whenever the data is changed by an unauthorized party. See here, means whenever the source person is sending the information from source to destination, right? Whenever the person is sending information from source to destination, means in the middle of the means intruder he is involving and he is doing something means he may delete the information while sending, right? He may delete the information, he may update the information, he may hack the information, whatever, means he is changing the information, right? That is nothing but here modification. Actual information is not received by the sender, means that is nothing but here modification, right? So here modification is nothing but just when the data is changed by an unauthorized party, right? He is changing each and everything, he is changing information, right, while sending from source to destination, is called as a modification, right? So here modification attack includes the accessing data and changing it. Then next, so here fabrication, right? Fabrication is nothing but sometimes intruders create a message and sends to the destination party, right? So here sometimes intruders creates the message and sends to the destination party. It pretends as the source is sending the message, right? Say here, what is fabrication? Fabrication is nothing but whenever the just he is not involving here, source is not involving here, sender is not involving here, right? Means sender is not involving here, but here intruder is involving as a sender, right? Whatever the information is receiving receiver, those information is that is nothing but he is coming, those information is coming from the sender, like that. Means whatever the information is received the intruder, he is getting that, like sender is sending the information, so and so person is sending the information to me, like this. So here, but actually here it pretends intruder is involving, right? That is nothing but here fabrication, right? Fabrication is nothing but sometimes intruder creates a message and sends to the destination party. Here here service, here source person is not involving here, right? Source person is not involving here and sending the just intruder he is involving and sends to the destination person, right? This is nothing but about fabrication, right? Then next, inter-network security model. See here, for example, inter-network security model, right? See, inter-network security model, he is nothing but just how we are sending the information from one place to destination, right? One place to another place. How we are moving the information from one place to destination person. See here, for example, if we have sender and this is a receiver, right? So here sender he is transferring the information from one place to another place, and receiver he is sending the information from one place to another place, right? So at that time we should have one of the transition, right? We should have communication, right? So how we are giving communication? We have one channel, right? That is nothing but here TCP/IP protocol. Just we are transferring the message from one place to another place. We are just providing one of the application, right? So that is nothing but here, what is that? TCP/IP protocol. We are using this TCP/IP protocol just to transferring the message or whatever it may be, files or whatever it may be, just sending from one place to another place. So here this is nothing but this is the transmission media, right? What is this? Transmission media. So with the help of this transmission media, we are sending the information from one place to another place, right? Without this media, without this network, without the wired connection, we can't send the information from one place to another place, right? So here we are giving such type of way, we are giving such path, right? With the help of the path, we are sending the information from source to destination, right? So here we are providing one of the protocol is nothing but here TCP IP protocol. See here transmission control protocol and internet protocol. So here in this internet protocol, with the help of this internet protocol, we can send the information from source to destination and destination to source. See here, right? In this encryption, so in this security, information security, we are using two types of techniques, right? That is nothing but encryption and decryption. Encryption and decryption. Here, what is encryption here, right? So what is encryption? Encryption is nothing but changing the readable format to the unreadable format, right? So here encryption means what here? Changing the whatever the information, whatever the data is there, we are plain text, we are changing the plain text to ciphertext. Plain text to ciphertext, right? We are changing the content or data or file or whatever, maybe we are changing the plain text to ciphertext is nothing but here encryption. Then next coming to the decryption. Decryption means what here? Decryption is nothing but converting the ciphertext to plain text, right? Converting the ciphertext to plain text. Here see, what is plain text, what is ciphertext here? Plain text is nothing but original text, right? What is plain text here? Plain text is nothing but original text. Ciphertext. Ciphertext means what here? Unreadable format, right? Whatever the data is there, we can't read it, right? That is nothing but here ciphertext, right? So whatever the information we can read means that is plain text. We can't read, we cannot read. That information is nothing but ciphertext, right? Coming to this, see, internetwork security model, right? So in this internetwork security model, see here we are using secret information and information channel, right? So here means see here sending the information in this internetwork security model, we are sending the information from source to destination with the help of some path, right? That is nothing but here information channel. We are sending from source to destination is nothing but here with the help of the information channel, that is nothing but TCP/IP protocol here, right? So here we are giving such kind of we are taking here secret information, that is nothing but key, right? This is key, right? Listen, secret information. This is secret information and this is also receiver side secret information. So here whatever the data, here we are sending the information from source to destination with the help of the information channel with secret information, right? Here we are using encryption and at the same time at receiver side whatever the information is encrypted, that key will be decrypted in receiver side, right? This is about internetwork security model. Means whenever we are sending the information from one place to another place, right? Whenever we are sending the information from one place to another place, at that time if hackers, they can involve in the middle of the sense while sending the information from one place to another place, means they cannot hack, right? If they hack also, they can't understand the information. With why means here we are providing secret information with the help of with the help of one key, we are locking that, right? That information we can't read. Whenever we are sending the information from one place to another place, we are providing one key, right? That is nothing but here secret information key. With the help of that key, we are encrypted that, right? We are using here some we are encoded it, right? With the help of that intruder here, third party, he he may can't catch the information in right. So after receiving the information, whatever the information is receiving at receiver side, at that time they can catch the information with the help of the secret key. They can reveal the information with the help of decryption, right? Means they can get the information as whatever the information is sent by the sender, those in that information will get at receiver side. So here the next, this is all about inter-network security model. The next listen, security mechanism. So while here we have some kind of security mechanisms are there. Those are nothing but classifications of security mechanisms: encipherment, digital signature, access control, data integrity, authentication exchange, traffic padding, routing control, notarization, right? These are the some security mechanisms. What are they? Encipherment, digital signature, access control, data integrity, authentication exchange, traffic padding, routing control, and notarization. First of all, what is encipherment, right? Encipherment. Here, encipherment is nothing but it is one of the security mechanism that involves the transformation of data into some unreadable form. That is nothing but here encipherment. Means encipherment is nothing but we are converting the readable format to unreadable format. We are converting the data or whatever, we are encrypted it, right? That is nothing but here encipherment, right? So here it is one of the security mechanism that involves the transformation of data into some unreadable form. That is nothing but here encipherment. So here the main purpose of encipherment is nothing but it is providing the authentication, right? It must and should providing the privacy by keeping the information hidden from the anyone for whom it is not intended to. Encipherment of data, it can provide confidentiality, right? Whenever the data is providing confidentiality, whenever the data is insecure, means at that time they can't reveal the intruders, they can't reveal the information, they can't modify the information, right? Whenever they are encrypted it. So that is nothing but here encipherment. The next, coming to the digital signature, right? What digital signature is nothing but it is an analytical approach, right? It is one of the analytical approach which validates the authenticity, right? Which validates the authenticity and integrity of the message, applications or digital records. It allows us to test the author name, date and time of the signature and verifying the message text, right? So this is nothing but digital signature, right? Then next, coming to the I'll explain in this whatever the data is there in video session. See once. Right, see. So here this is, her name is Neha. He is always shopping in the www.shoppingcart.com, right? She is always shopping in the in online www.shoppingcart.com, right? Means at that time while we are entering into the one of the application or whatever it may, wherever it may be, means it takes the information from us, right? It takes whatever the information is there, means like name, account details, PAN details, Aadhaar card details, whatever it takes, right? Bank details, everything it will take, right? So at that time, he in shopping cart in website, she entered everything in that website, right? Means it is, but actually whatever the information is there, whatever we are giving information, those information is stored in some other place. It is not connected to the our website. So at that time, what happens? See, but she knows means what she is evolving means just see, okay, this is whenever the data is fake, whenever the, for example, if we take the email as a gift voucher, whenever we opened it, it will take it will cache our information, right? Whatever the information like means bank details, Aadhaar, PAN, like each and every information it will take, right? At that time, what happened? Whatever the data is there, that data will be stored in some other place. At that time, hacker they come and they take the information. Okay, so and so person's information and so information, right? So means at that time it had the information, everything. It takes the information of the persons, right? Means for example, if you are downloading, if you are changing the information from in our email, if you are opening some kinds of links, at the time what will happen means what are the in our website or what wherever it may be, that will be lost or it will be credited, it will be credit our money. So this all will be done in our hacking, right? So to if we means this is all will be done with the help of these cyber attacks, right? Why we are always we are pushing into the cyber attacks means while in that there is no any encryption and any decryption, right? Means whenever we are using the encryption and whenever we are using the decryption, we are in this case we are providing some keys, right? With the help of these keys we can't reveal that information, right? So whenever we are, for example, in asymmetric key algorithm RSA algorithm, design RSA algorithm. In this RSA algorithm, we are defining these some keys, right? Means we are providing the two keys. Those two keys are nothing but one of the private key and one of the public key. Whenever we are transferring the message from source to destination, at that time we are using here two types of keys. That is nothing but private key and public key. When means here private key is nothing but here whenever we are sending the information from one place to destination place, private key means his encrypted the information as a private key. So encrypt the information as a private key, then he sends the information as a receiver side. At that time he receives the information as a with the help of the public key. So this is the concept of the hackers. This is the concept of cyber attack. Thank you.